Okay, I just wanted to show you how to use this lead magnet builder. So if you get this, or if you download or whatever, I'm going to give you a link for this and I'm going to give it to you for free. So I'm going to show you how to use it. What I do is I usually have a company detail sheet with all my company details on it. So I have a business that I've been using for all my videos, and it's I call it my fake business, but I'm going to use it to show you. If you have a business, what you do is you get all your information, like obviously the name, your website URL, if you have a website, stuff like that. And if you have any personal to kind of give it a tone, I actually have a funnel that you guys can also get for free. I'll link it in the description, where you can actually go through and do your brand voice, your ideal client, and all that. Get that all put on one document so that you can use it for stuff like this. So anyway, so this has my product and everything in it, company details. So if you create one of those, you can just put that there and then tell it, I'd like you to give me lead magnet ideas for my business. Attach. Oops, I can't spell. Oh, lead magnet ideas. Okay, just go, who is your ideal client? What do you want to sell them? Okay, so it's going to ask you who's your ideal client, what's the number one problem they solve right now, and all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to put, I'm not sure. Can you answer best you can with info you have? Please. So I'm making it really hard for it. Based on your materials and brand, here's a tailored lead magnet strategy built specifically for positivity, vitality, company. Lead magnet strategy. 3 title ideas. The 3-day happy gut plan for picky dogs. How to support digestive, reduce gas, and boost without switching foods. 7 signs your dog's gut is struggling. And the gut check checklist. Is your dog's belly actually healthy? Okay. I'm going to give you the best format and why. It's going to research my audience for me. But if you do the brand voice funnel that I have that you can use, there's 5 GPTs I give you for free to use, and I show you how to use it in that funnel. You can get a document that you can use for all of this. So all you would have to do is download it, and it would have all that information, rather than having to answer all these questions all the time, every time you try and use it. But it's going to give you a complete lead magnet outline. So the 3-day happy gut plan for picky dogs, you've got a welcome plus what to expect, page 1. It gives you an outline. Page 2, page 3, page 4. Quick win promise. The plan shows you how to support your pup's gut in 3 days. You track symptoms. So this is a guide, writing guidelines, warm distribution, and funnel tips. So this is how you promote it through a funnel, how you're going to promote it through Instagram, email, blog. So it gives you all that. Wow. And then it can go on and it can create your draft to the lead magnet landing page and all that. So this is really cool. So it gave me three title ideas, and then it gave me a complete plan for that lead magnet. And then you can go back and ask it for others if you want, whatever. But that's kind of how you use this. So I hope this helps. I hope this is useful to you. And yeah.